So, my name's PC Gemma Pagan. I am a constable working at Safe Neighbourhood Team in Woodside and Madeley. Walk and Talk is an initiative aimed at females and members of the public that are females, and it's trying to help women feel safer, make safer places for women. So the idea of it is that females can contact their local neighbourhood team and they can speak to a female officer, and the officer can then meet them in their own environment, so they can pick a time and place where we can meet, and we literally just walk around that area discussing places that they don't feel safe, whether it's for walking, whether it's because there's lack of lighting, whether it's the time of day. It could be quite secluded areas, but could also be in the centre of town, so especially in the middle of the evenings if they're coming out of pubs and clubs, what we can do to kind of like negate their fear and try and make them feel safer in those areas. So we can either work with organisations like the council or the pastors that help out at nightclubs, or even if it's police support through excess patrolling in the areas they feel lack of safety. And yeah, it's just giving them a safe place to speak rather than going to the station or call 999 or 101. It gives them a way of speaking to the police without having to do the formal route. There is a designated email which is walkandtalk@westmercia.police.uk, but also you can contact 101, send an email through the website, our West Mercia website, whatever's easiest. And then once the contact's been made, an officer in the area will contact the person that wants the walk and talk. We will contact them and then we can arrange personally. The walk and talk can be in uniform if you want to be more visible, or if they feel it's not safe for them to walk in with the police officer in uniform, we can go without uniform. So we're totally led by what the member public wants to do.